Welcome to Broomfield Tai Chi. Today, let's practice Snake Creeps Down and Golden Rooster Stands on One Leg from the 24 posture form. Begin with your weight on your right leg and your right hand out in your hook. Your elbow is slightly bent and your left palm is facing in. We're going to step out with our left foot. Then my left hand goes down my body. This is the snake creeps down, goes down my left leg. Then I shift my weight forward and my right hand goes back behind me in the hook. I pivot my left toe out and I bring my right foot up and my right arm up into Golden Rooster Stands on One Leg. Now on the other side. Left hand up, elbow slightly bent, right palm facing in. Step out with the right leg. Right hand goes down the body into Snake Creeps Down. Shift your weight forward. Left hand goes behind your body. Right toe pivots out as your left foot comes up, left leg comes up, and left hand comes up into Golden Rooster. In Snake Creeps Down, as you step out with your left foot, your left toe is lining up with your right heel, so you're stepping out slightly behind you to create width in your stance. Then, as you drop your left hand down your body, you open your center. So I open. I don't go forward until my center is fully open. Then I shift my weight forward. In Golden Rooster, first, pivot your left toe out, and you're going to bring your right leg and your right arm up. Your knee and your elbow line up, and you press out with your right palm. Now, if this is too difficult, you can just keep your foot, your toe on the ground and execute the same move. But if you can, bring your leg up so your knee and your elbow line up together. My left hand is out to the side with my fingers all the way to my knee. Let's practice again. Snake creeps down. Golden Rooster stands on one leg. Snake creeps down. Golden Rooster stands on one leg. That was Snake Creeps Down and Golden Rooster Stands on One Leg. Watch more of my videos to learn more Tai Chi and give me a subscribe. Keep practicing. Stay healthy. Stay strong.